Hello guys, welcome to another short video on HTML. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use external fonts or additional fonts which are other than normal fonts which we use regularly like Tahoma or Times New Roman in our website. There are simple steps which we need to follow to embed different fonts other than the regular one. So let's see how we can achieve that one in this video. First thing we need to have is a font which we want to embed or use in our website. Google Fonts is a very good website from where we can get different fonts. You can use other websites also, but Google Fonts is one of my favorite website from where I get fonts. So I will use Google Fonts in this example. Just search as Google Fonts. You'll get a site where you can see there are a lot of fonts which you can use freely. But the thing is, we can use these fonts freely, but we should not sell it. So that is the basic rule here. So this is the font which I want to use in my website. Click on that one. At the top right side, you can see there is an option called download family. You can use this link. So this will be downloaded to your local drive as you can see here. Open this and unzip this one. Once you unzip, you will get a folder. Within that one, you can see there is a font file which is usually have an extension of .ttf. So copy this file and copy to the same folder where your HTML resides. So I'm opening this one. I'm creating a new folder here as fonts. So within the folder, I'm pasting the font file. Let's go back to the editor. Let's have a basic structure of HTML. To use these external fonts in our web page, there is an inbuilt CSS rule by name font face, using which we can embed external fonts into our website. So let's have a style open and close tag within which you can add font face. As I said, there is a rule. It have two parts. First one is font family. Here you need to define any name for the font which you are going to use into your website. I'm giving name as external font. Then in the second part, you need to define the path of the font where this is residing. So currently I have placed font in this font folder. So I'll just copy the name of this font and paste it in the path. So once you are done with the defining the font family and giving the URL where your font resides, you are good to use this in your web page. So let's have a one division in which I can add some content. I will use lorem ipsum generator from which I can get some dummy content. Copy the content and go back to editor and I will paste it here. Still now we have not used the font family which we have defined here. So let's go and see before applying font family how it will look. As you can see here, it's using a default font family in the browser. So to use this font family which you have defined here, I will use a inline style element within which you can add font family. Then you can add the font family which you have defined. So that's it what you need to do in your HTML. So just save this file and go back to browser, refresh the page and you can see the font family which we have downloaded from Google that has been applied to our content. Just you can increase the font size of this content to see the content properly. Just I am adding 30 pixels. Go back to your browser and refresh. You can see the font is applied to our content. So these are the simple steps which you need to follow. First, you need to define the font family in your web page using the font face CSS rule, and then you can use that font family within your web page wherever you need. So that's it guys for this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please click on like button, share it to others and subscribe to my channel.